Namaste, Hari Om. Welcome back to Lahari Cultural Learning. Today we'll see some interesting insights about talams. Talams are a very integral and important aspect of Carnatic music. In its simplest form or definition, so to say, anything that keeps up to the rhythm of the song. You know, you tap your toes when listening to a song, or you shake your head, or you tap your fingers. So a talam is as simple as keeping up to the rhythm of the song. But in Carnatic music, it's something more complex than that, and especially when it comes to rendering kritis and manodharma sangeetam. So talams basically are of 7 types. There are 7 kinds of talams. Now, before I go to the kinds of talam, each talam will have different parts. So, what we say angas of a talam, that is parts of a talam. It's lagu, dhritam, anudhritam, guru, pluta, and so on. But for beginners, the 3 main parts that you can concentrate on is lagu, dhritam, and anudhritam. So what is a lagu? A lagu is a beat with the tap of the fingers. A beat with the fingers is called lagu. A dhritam is a beat and a flip. So this is a dhritam. And an anudhritam is just one single beat. So a standalone beat is called as an anudhritam. So every talam will have these 3 basic angas. It could be a combination of all the 3, or one could be left out, or it could be only having one lagu, or one lagu and one dhritam, and so on. Now there are 7 basic talas, as I told you: Dhruvatalam, Mathyatalam, Rupakatalam, Jampatalam, Atatalam, Ekatalam, and Triputatalam. Now each of these talams differ in the number of, in the framework, basically the pattern. Each talam will have a particular pattern, and the talams differ in the patterns. For example, if you take Dhruvatalam, a Dhruvatalam will have 1 lagu, 1 dhritam, and 2 lagus in this order. So 1 lagu, 1 dhritam, and 2 lagus. So this is how a Dhruvatalam will look like. A Mathyatalam will be a truncated Dhruvatalam, that is 1 lagu. It could be any number of fingers, but the format is 1 lagu, 1 dhritam, and 1 lagu. So a Mathyatalam is 1 lagu, 1 dhritam, 1 lagu. Similarly, if you take Rupakatalam, it starts with the dhritam. So that is 1 dhritam and 1 lagu. 1 dhritam and 1 lagu is Rupakatalam. A Jampatalam will have 1 lagu, 1 anudhritam, and 1 dhritam. So 1 lagu, 1 anudhritam, and 1 dhritam is a format of a Jampatalam. Atatalam will have 2 lagus, continuous lagus, followed by 2 dhritams. So 2 lagus and 2 dhritams is Atatalam. Triputatalam is 1 lagu with 2 dhritams. So 1 lagu with 2 dhritams is Triputatalam, and Ekatalam is the simplest. It will just have 1 lagu. Okay. So these are the 7 different kinds of talam. Now depending on the number of taps that you use in the lagu, we have 5 jatis. Now suppose in the lagu you are using 1, 2, 3 taps. It is called Tishra Jati. 3 taps is called Tishra Jati. Now these count holds good only for the lagu. If there are 4 taps or 4 beats in the lagu, it's called Chatushra Jati. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called Chatushra Jati. Khanda Jati is 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beats in the lagu is Khanda Jati. Mishra Jati, 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats in the Lagu is Mishra Jati, and Sankirna Jati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beats in the Lagu is called Sankirna Jati. Now, I can mix and match the Jatis with the basic 7 talams. Now, suppose if I take say Rupaka Talam. Rupaka Talam, as I told you, starts with the Dhritam. So 1, 2. If I put 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, it's Tishra Jati Rupaka Talam. So it's Rupaka Talam because it has a Dhritam followed by a Lagu. It is Tishra Jati because I am putting 3 beats on the Lagu. So Tishra Jati Rupaka Talam. Now if you take Triputa Talam, as I told, has 1 Lagu and 2 Dhritams. 1 Lagu and 2 Dhritams. Suppose if I put 4 beats in the Lagu, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it is Chatushra Jati Triputa Talam, which is very commonly called as Adi Talam. So technically Adi Talam is Chatushra Jati Triputa Talam. Triputa Talam because it has 1 Lagu followed by 2 Dhritams, and Chatushra Jati because it has 4 beats in the talams. So if you see the mixing and matching, you will have around 35 talas. 5 jatis with 7 basic talas will give you 35 talas, and each of these talas can be put in different speeds. We call it as nadai or gatis. So you have Tishra Nadai, Chatushra Nadai, Khanda Nadai, Mishra Nadai and Sankirna Nadai. So 7 and 5 and 5 will give you totally 105 talas. Apart from this, we have Chapu talas. So the journey of talas is really huge, but for beginners, it is enough if you know about these 35 varieties of talams. More into the insights of Carnatic music in my next video. Until then, it's Ram Ram. But before I close, I've been getting a lot of requests for classes. So I will be starting group classes this Vijayadashami, that is 15th October. Those who want to enroll for the classes, please drop in a mail to om.lahariguru@gmail.com. So until we meet next time, it's Ram Ram from me.